Meta just made Instagram way cooler with 3D photos for Quest users. Imagine your feed coming to life in virtual reality. Stick around to see how this AI-powered feature is changing the game. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech. If you're hyped for VR and social media's future, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech updates. Let's dive into Meta's 3D photo test. Meta's V77 update for Quest headsets is rolling out a mind-blowing test: 3D photos on Instagram. Using AI view synthesis, Meta's turning regular 2D photos into immersive 3D experiences, pixel by pixel. When you scroll your Instagram feed on a Quest headset, photos pop out with depth and liveliness, making everyday posts feel more real. It's like your friends' vacation pictures or food shots are jumping off the screen. This isn't Meta's first 3D rodeo. They tried 3D photos on Facebook back in 2018, but now Instagram's getting the VR treatment. The catch? It's a test for select Quest users, so not everyone will see it yet. But that's not all in V77. Meta's testing a new Navigator dashboard for apps, games, and settings, launched with the press of the Meta or Oculus button. Plus, there's Bluetooth low-energy audio support, a window follow feature for multitasking, and a new Horizon app for PC that combines Quest Link and remote desktop tools. Want to try this? If you're a Quest user, keep an eye on your Instagram feed for those 3D photos. The test is rolling out gradually, so check your updates. For the full breakdown on Meta's 3D photo feature and V77 goodies, Meta's 3D photos are making Instagram a VR playground. And 2025 is looking wild for Quest users. What do you think? Ready to see your feed in 3D? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay locked in with GadInsider for more tech news.